Hello everyone, welcome to my Study Tech YouTube channel. Today I am going to demonstrate how to view a BAM file in igv, Integrative Genome Viewer. For this, we need one aligned sorted BAM file, an Genome fasta file and the Genome GTF file. We also need the samtool, and the last one is igv tool. So let's start with download the igv tool. Just click igv download. So here is the site. In this site, just go to the download igv. So you can see the various download option. For the Linux, use the igv for Linux, Java included. Let's download it. So it is now downloading 81 MB. Okay, the download is complete. Let's check it. Let's copy this file to our working directory. So now we have to unzip. Let's complete, and this is the file. Let's check it. So here is the file, and open the terminal in this directory. Let's check the file list, ls. Okay, this file that ./igv dot, then enter. So now the igv is opening in user interface. So it is the user interface. In this, here we can select the genome. First we have to select the genome, load the genome. So go to our working directory. Here is the genome, Saccharomyces cerevisiae FASTA file. Let's open it. After that, we have to load the GTF file. Let's load the file, and here is the GTF file, and open. So here you can see the gene on the genome. So the genome is loaded, and also the GTF file and the gene is loaded. Now we need to load our BAM file. So here is the aligned sorted BAM file. First we have to convert and make the index file of this BAM file. For that, we have to go to the samtool, open the terminal. So here we need ./samtool index. After that, the BAM file in the align BAM, and we have to convert and we have to make the index file and in the same directory. So this is aligned shorted bam.bai. After this script, press enter. So here let's check it. So here we can see the index file for this bam file was generated. Now we can load this file into the igv. Go to the file, load, and select the bam file. You need to know that the bam.bai and bam file name should be like this, bam and bam.bai, and should be into the same directory. So load it, open. So it is open. Now you need to zoom it like this. Okay, you can see, and you can just check it throughout the genome. So here you can see this is the PCL10 gene, and this is the all reads aligned on the genome. So in this way you can see the BAM file on the igv tool. So that's it. If it is helpful, please hit the like button and comment it is working for you, and please subscribe if you wish to learn more bioinformatics with me.